Time for an incredibly long travel day. What's the time? How long is it going to take?
10:15. We'll be leaving in about 5-10 minutes. We won't arrive to our next accommodation until about 11 o'clock tomorrow.
It's ferry, taxi, bus,
Ferry.
taxi.
Woo! Our first mode of transport has come to pick us up. Second mode of transport has been acquired. Taxi to then the local bus. It's a nice tight squeeze. Ooh, jelly. Next leg of the journey is just about to start. The problem is, this is an old bus. There's a lovely new one behind there. They teased us with it whilst we were waiting. But we've got a big one with a lovely big crack in the window. This is more like it. So explain what's going on, Ella.
Okay, we're 8 hours in and we've got 16 hours to go.
Team is struggling, it's been a hard day.
Not doing too hard.
Finally found some comfy seats. Took a big old walk around the bags.
There's a big 12-hour overnight bus to come and it's not looking great. It's all a bit chaotic. We've got on the... Oh boys, it's all a bit chaotic. Get your bag in, Charlie. It's going to be a long 12 hours. Confession time, if you can hear me. Me and Charlie have both made the same mistake. We both tried to have a wee in apparently what's not a urinal. Where was it, Charlie?
Where you wash your face.
It's not good. It's been a long, long day. It looked like a urinal. What time are we on again? It's been a long journey. Still have some more time. After yesterday's ordeal, we did make it. We did have a lazy day yesterday. I think everyone needed a bit of rest and recovery. But today is the day we start to reap the rewards of why we came to this remote island. It's diving time. So me and Ella are going to do a refresher course. Very good news for diving today. It was supposed to be raining, but it's absolutely lovely and very, very hot. Which means it's going to be a good day for visibility. The cat has just caught a massive grasshopper. Oh, he's eating it. And this is the walk that we get 2 seconds from our accommodation. Absolutely bloody spectacular. Just Ella signing a life away. Ooh.
So we will starting from like 1 meter deep more or less. So there is I want you to know about something, how to clear the master.
The refresher course is complete. Didn't end up filming it because we're just practicing getting the skills up to scratch. But now it's time to do our first fun dive. Charlie will be diving with us tomorrow, but for now it's me, Ella, and my new friend. What's happened, Charlie? What's happened?
door's not opening.
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest, it's pretty fucking wrong. Is it done?
He's broken the key.
He's broken the key.
You should not be able to take the key out when it's upside down.
No idea what's going on.
He pulled the key out, dude.
How are you gonna come out? It's gonna come out. Day 2, and it's time to see what Charlie's got in the locker. What's his air consumption going to be? Is it going to be 12 minutes? Is he going to push 15?
My record's about 17.
So I've decided to do a voiceover to keep your interest peaked. So here we are, back on the boat yet again.
It's Jake and Ellen, editing mode.
Oh, but here we go. Here's the perfect leg prop. Have you ever seen such a man?
Can you see a fish there? No, you can't. It's camouflaged.
Very camouflaged. Oh, there's
Do
some
you remember
little
when I
Nemo
grabbed
fish.
one of them? Oh, sorry,
Yeah.
I'm talking over it. Yeah, that shot's straight off of our planet.
Oh, look at that absolutely incredibly dramatic shot.
Camera magic.
Absolute camera magic.
What's next? What's that, Jake? What fish is that? Go on, tell the fans.
It's a very pretty fish. Oh, and here's a lovely shot of Ella and Charlie being really cool.
We did think it looked really sick in our heads. We were like, how did that turn out? There
That's how it turned out. Oh, this one still gets me to this day. This guy ruined the shot right in front of my face. Absolutely dreadful. Very upset.
Mugged off.
Oh, absolutely incredible fight between a Titan triggerfish and a moray eel. Have you ever seen anything like it? Bam! Bam! And the Titan triggerfish wins. Ella?
Hey, it's a lionfish.
Oh, there you go. You got some
that
knowledge.
one. They're actually poisonous.
Very poisonous.
Are they poisonous?
Yes, very
How
poisonous.
poisonous though? You don't
Oh, and it's the final shot of Ella and Charlie. What a lovely time. What are you doing? 2 days left of diving. So what do we do? Chin chin for the bintang. We've also got a lovely fish barbie on the way. Ella's chilling in the hammock over there, enjoying life.
Got the best seat in the
And
house.
Charlie's spread himself full of DEET.
Covered in DEET.
There's some horrible mosquitoes popping about. But for now... Oh yeah, we've also got some little kitties. Have a look at him. Come on, kitty cat. Oh, he's gone. Hello. Oh, you're gorgeous. Hello, little fella.
What you got there, Ella? Lovely beard.
You can't just go every time you have something in your mouth. Big tang. The fish barbecue has just been served. Have a look at this boy. Look at that. Look at the state of him. Oh. Got loads of things coming up. I don't even know what's going on here. I thought we were just getting a fish. Looks good.
We're all having a wee.
Me and Ella have decided that now is the perfect time to go get some water because we're very thirsty. So we're going to try out the ponchos, prepared and ready, after you. Oh, it's pretty damp.
I don't know if it's keeping me that dry.
Pretty dry.
Hooray.
Pretty. It's like a shower. Oh, I don't know if this is worth it at all.
I'm not having a good time.
Even in this rain, there's a fire still burning. I genuinely do not know how that's going on. And it's actually fully got blaze, kicking out some heat. Ominous hills up there, kicking up an absolute monsoon. All this to get some water. Is it worth it, Ella?
The shop's not even open.
Oh, if the shop's not, oh my, oh, it's open. Oh, the water's secured. So Ella seems to be pretty dry and pretty happy. Let me see if I am. Not at all dry. To make matters worse, I was just going to show you how wet I am, so the poncho didn't really work. There's a power cut. You can't even see in the room. An absolute power cut.
Bubbles!